power meters on Amazon to see what my ITX build draws. And it's drawing about 300 watts max. That's with the CPU at 4.2 gigahertz, the 3600, and my 5700 XT with an undervolt at 972 millivolts. And it's only got one NVMe drive in it, and 16 gigs of RAM, and one 200 millimeter fan, and two 60 millimeter fans. But I was scared I was drawing closer to 500 than it was, so 300 ain't too bad. But I think if you have if you overclock your GPU, it's going to be probably in a 350 range, maybe less. I don't know, but definitely not as close to 500 as I thought it was going to be. A little more power efficient than I thought. 300 ain't too bad. But I just want to put it on just in case somebody was building a similar build and want to know how much the power draw will be. So yeah, you're probably better off with the 600 watt PSU, but a 500 will do it just fine. Have a good one. Run a stress test on Unigine superposition, and so far that's the highest reading I've got. Still not bad, considering I was scared about using a 500 watt power supply, so 300 ain't too bad. And that's running a Cinebench R20.